the kitchen with Coltrane.
And Dada.
What's this?
I know.
Tofu.
Ah. Tea.
It's got water in it.
Yeah.
So that's why we pressed it to get the water out.
Yeah.
Look, watch me. Right here. Right here. Yep. Perfect. Yep. Let's do another one. Excellent. Now, I'm going to turn it.
Yeah.
I'm going to do it this way. Ready?
Yeah.
Perfect. Here. Good. Perfect. Excellent. So now we're going to take a pan.
Yeah.
We're going to fry it
The boy piece, not the older.
to little pieces. All right, get back from the flame. So we're going to take a little bit of oil.
Yeah.
This is coconut and avocado together.
Together.
Nice amount. Right, we're going to let it heat up. Look, when we put it in, you have to be careful because it can burn you. So we'll put a piece in, we step back when we put it in.
Oh.
Step back when we put it in. Let it go. Yep.
Oh, gosh.
When we let it cook, we gotta step way back. And we watch it from here. That way it won't bust.
Yeah, the fire is hot.